This video demonstrates the new Transform Survey Points command available in Trimble Business Center version 3.20. In the screen you can see two plan views, one with the conventional datasets collected at the local site of 100,000 by 200,000, and in the right hand side you can see the points with the ground truth collected afterwards. In this example we want to transform all the points available in this area here to the points available in this area on the right. To do that, we will launch the Transform Survey Points command available under the Survey Kogo ribbon group. The new Transform Survey Points command launches, and the first action is to select the objects to move. So we will select all the conventional data in the plan view on the left. As you can see, we have over 1,000 objects to move. And next we can specify what transformation parameters we want to compute. In this case we can select both delta easting, delta northing, and elevation. Rotation applies only to the azimuth orientation, so no roll and pitch rotation is available. Selecting rotation, and we can compute a scale. Next we can pick point pairs we want to compute the calculation from. So if we select in the first from point window, we can select a point 115, and in the right hand window we can select 115 here. The window is automatically going to jump to the next point pair, and we can continue picking. So here we can select a point 99 and point 99 here. We can also type in the point name, so 101, and select point 101. As you can see, now we have more point pairs than necessary, and the software is starting to compute the residual on each of the point location. So we can add as many point pairs as we like. After we have done selecting, we can review, and we can see what are the residuals values on the point pairs. As if we see there's a residual that we don't like, means that we have selected a point pair that didn't match, or there's something wrong with the observation, we can simply delete that point pair from the calculation. As you can see, also the transformation parameters have been populated in the fields based on the point pair calculations. At any point we can overwrite the information and input the transformation parameters manually. After we have done that, we can select apply, and you will notice that all the points have been moved accordingly. We can close the plan we don't need. As you can see, all of our optical vectors have been disabled. If you select the properties, you can see the status is disabled. We can simply select all of our total station observation and change the status back to enabled if we desire to do that. Now, as you can see, all the vectors are enabled. Notice that with the RTK vector, we won't allow you to re-enable due to the positions of the vectors are coming from the WGS84, and re-enabling the vectors might distort some of the geometrical properties between the vector. That concludes our video on Transform Survey Points command available in Trimble Business Center version 3.20.